We are back with the Nitrous mini bike again this week. In last week's video, we blew up this little 3 horsepower motor, blew the top of the piston off because we shot too much nitrous. Oh no! That's why we got a 5 horsepower Briggs. We're gonna try to jam inside the frame of that. And then we got a different clutch setup. We got an actual nitrous kit, got the thumb throttle, and then we got a pump for our fuel. So we're gonna fit all that in there, and we're gonna see if we can blow this thing up again. So here we go.
There's always time for lubrication.
Luber up.
Oh, just the tip?
Just the tip.
Wait.
Oh, yeah. All right. Well, we've got the motor mounted. We had to use 2 2x4s. We are also using a pair of vice grip channel locks to hold the front of the motor down tight.
That's torque spec right there.
And our zip tie is going to hold our vice grips together so it doesn't pop off there. And our motor is officially mounted. So all we got to do is pump the gas to it, hook up our chain, and put our belt on, and this thing is ready to rock and roll.
Hey, it's your video.
All right, we got the gas hooked up, the chain is the length that we need, the belt is hooked up, everything is ready to go. We don't have the nitrous hooked up yet.
Hold on. Do we show them the governor system we got, or the
non-governor? So we're ready to start this thing up for the first test rip.
It's a ripper.
Dude, it has so much torque. And that's without nitrous. It's a significant upgrade.
Oh yeah, slight upgrade from the 3 horse. It's wide open. I hope he crashes.
He'll still manage to blow it up even without nitrous. Little ripper, isn't she? Oh yeah, we'll burn out the ball. She gets out of hand real fast. Alright, so we're gonna race the side-by-side because I told Matt I bet I could have his ass. So we're gonna have Bree flag us down and we'll go, let's say we go to like that second pole down there.
Oh, we'll put it behind
No. Alright.
Okay, go!
Hey, that bottle mount's broke, buddy. Hey, that's a little screwed up.
That's the size of a 2x4 can't fit.
High quality mount right there.
All right, guys, the belt drive worked phenomenal. Pulling wheelies like that was pretty sweet. But the problem that we have now, all I have is these jets right here. And these jets are literally 180 horse. That would probably be pretty noticeable. So is what we're going to do is we're going to actually order some like 25 shot jets for these solenoids. And then we're going to mount this. So this is already set up to hook those nitrous solenoids to. And then it's going to be bolted right there to the carburetor just like that. And spraying right into it. That is going to be for next week's video, but something that we want to let you guys know. This is a 12 Cummins, and that is what, a 95
F250.
95 F250. So that is all ready to go. The frame and all that's already redone. So we're going to be setting this motor in and we're gonna make a build series out of it. So that is the future plans coming to the channel. I think you guys really like that. But this went phenomenal today. So next week, we're gonna get those jets and we're gonna really see what this thing can do. That'll be for next week's video. So come back next week to see what we tear up. We'll see you later, guys.